Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made my Polaroid movie wall, kind of. I don't really know what to call it, but it's basically just a bunch of pictures of my favorite movies, TV shows, and albums in this one type of format. So let me go a little closer. Here are just some examples of movies I've picked and albums as well. I ordered 70 prints. I didn't want it to cover my entire wall, but I did want it to cover a majority of the wall. So your first step is to search up movie posters Polaroid onto Pinterest. And then all of these pictures are going to show up, and you want to find the movies or the shows or your favorite albums that have this type of format where it's like a big picture and then some information of them on the bottom that looks like a Polaroid. In case you guys think that looking them all up is too much time or work, I made an entire Pinterest board on a bunch of examples, some of which that I've used myself, like Grey's Anatomy and stuff. I literally have so many shows and albums and movies, and it's definitely over 100. So if you want, you should check this out in the description box and just save the ones that you want. And yeah, so I even have some Timothy Chalamet ones and Harry Styles ones in case you want to do some of people, but I kind of stuck to just shows, movies, and albums that I liked. All of them have pretty similar fonts, but I tried to use the fonts or the pictures that had like the big title and then the year by it. Some of them I didn't. Like I used this Peaky Blinders one, which is in like the Peaky Blinders font. So that's totally fine. But for the majority of them, I wanted this like tan type of background with this type of setup. So that's like most of the ones that I have saved on here. The next step is printing out your photos, and I wanted this endeavor to be as cheap as possible. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I found free prints. So free prints, I think, gives you like 85 prints for free every single month, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. So that's what I did. I bought 70 4x6 pictures, and it was around $7 or $8 to ship, which I think was a really good price, considering that the photos were free. However, only the size 4x6 is free, so that's what I stuck to. If you wanted to do square or something else, I believe it would cost extra. And then they came in the mail, and I stuck them up on my wall in 10 rows of 7. And this is what I got, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And I hope you guys try it out.